Ever feel confused about using adjectives that end in ed, ed, or ing? Think of ing as the thing that causes a feeling, like this bright light bulb. When we feel the emotion ourselves, we use ed, ed. You feel interested because of the light. Let's break down the rules so you never guess again. If a movie makes you feel excitement, the movie is exciting. But because you watched it for hours, you feel tired. If something is boring, it makes you feel bored. See the difference? The thing causes the feeling. So the movie is exciting, and you are excited. Keep this rule in mind whenever you describe your day. You are now an expert at using ed and ing adjectives. Describe for more.